What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. As always, I need to spend the first minute begging everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe, which no one ever does, but you need to start because, you know, we need views, we need numbers, we need digits, all that good stuff. But yeah, people, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get this up. It's dragging a bit. We need more subscribers, viewers, all that good stuff. So slightly starting something new. Didn't really used to do any reviews and unboxings and all that stuff apart from trainers or sneakers. Now it's everything, I guess, which is kind of bait. So it's more of the, you know, the clothing side of stuff I want to focus on now because I got so much. However, I did order something that arrived. Let's just get into it. So it's a Tech Fleece tracksuit. Funnily enough, I actually used to wear Tech Fleece when it first came out. I didn't know it would be this big trend thing, whatever it was. I had like so many different colors, and literally I used to buy a hoodie for like £25, £30, £35, nothing more than that. Like the stuff used to be in outlets all the time, so that's why I used to wear it. No one else used to wear it when I was wearing it, so I definitely want to say, you know, I was one of the first ones. Just gonna take the credit for that, way back when. But let's get into it, people. We always gotta rip open the bag. Muscles. So this is the joggers. Black Nike Tech, different material. The label says slim fit / taper leg, regular length. So slim fit. So I like slim fit, taper leg. It's alright. Regular length. On the tag it says XL, so that's the size I went for. Inside as well. Oops, shouldn't knock that over. So XL, TG, EG. I wish I knew what that meant. I just know what the XL means. Made in Cambodia. The Nike label as always, and it's got that one that just explains kind of what it is. So these joggers, got this, I hope it's a 3M type drawstring, but I don't really care. And the best bit about the joggers, or one of the best things, and one of the things that made me buy them, the zip on the side. Good size zip. And it's got a little pocket in there as well, so, you know, for if you want to stick a phone in there, or a wallet, keys, etc. Definitely something good to have. Kind of annoying that it's not on both sides, because, you know, you can't put everything all in one pocket, and then, you know, the zip is the thing that we need these days. I love a zip pocket. I mostly went to Adidas because I was just buying the zip pocket tracksuits from Adidas. So if it's Nike, it has to be zip pocket from now on. So it's got kind of stitching there, so like a knee panel, top, and then it's got like little stitches, not full, but, you know, it's whatever. Then standard cuff on the bottom. So that's the joggers. Just a quick rundown, kind of overview on what the joggers are like. And then we've got the hoodie here. This one's kind of different. The only reason I bought this hoodie, let me just stop rustling it. The only reason I bought this hoodie is because I've never had an overhead hoodie from Nike Tech Fleece. I've had the zip ones only, and the windbreaker types, all of those. Never have I had an overhead one. I think I prefer overhead hoodies. I just don't know what the fit's like. So let's just get into this one. We've got to savage those bags open. So we've got a overhead hoodie. Looks quite snug, to be honest. I will try this on to see if it fits. I may need to upper size, just depending on the fit. So it's got a literal pocket that goes through, not bad. On the hoodies, which I kind of don't like, is this. It doesn't really have like a cuff bottom, it's just more of this string thing. It's whatever, to be honest. Don't really like it. And then the same on here, so it's not really got a cuff on the end. So I prefer a cuff, to be honest. I'm just more of a cuff guy. Same thing on the other one, no cuff. However, it does have a zip. Obviously it is functional, however I wouldn't really use it for any sort of functional thing. I just think it's just, you know, it's just something nice to have on the arm. Again, Nike Tech, the same thing as the extra material, same drawstring. So it's this full tracksuit. This one comes in a large. It's got a nice little rope hang thing to hang it up. A large on the tag, so I did purchase a size large. I hope this fits. I'm going to try it on. I'm actually going to look in the mirror. Tags made in China. So the other one's made in like Cambodia. This one's made in China, so different places. It says warning, no protective function, not personal protective equipment. What? Who would think this is personal protective equipment? That's a bit silly. I don't even know why they would even ever put that. I don't think this has it. Yeah, who would think that a tech fleece is going to protect you? And from what? Bullets? What's going on? But yeah, the hood. I usually like the hood. This is slightly different, so I just want to try it on. So what I'm going to do is, it's going to be so weird trying this on. Because I'm going to try it on and I'm going to see if it fits or not. I literally had to run off, try this on. It fits me quite snug, to be honest. I think if I got up a size, it will be a bit too big. That's the headache with that. So I think I'll just keep at this size. I'm not really happy with the sizing too much, but we move. It is what it is. But yeah, people, let me know what you think of this. Tell me if you got one. Tell me if you're following the trend. Tell me if you like them, hate them, rate them, whatever. And that's literally it for me for today. Just a quick Tech Fleece unbagging and review. If you want to see it worn and the styles I'll wear it with, leave a comment, let me know. And yeah, that's all for me today. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Most importantly, take care, people.